My parents separated when I was 5. I promised myself I would never repeat their mistakes, but without guidance, I lost my way. I had 4 children with 2 different partners, and my mother helped raise them. Inside, I was drowning in shame. I blamed myself for everything, swallowed every insult, and held deep grudges. Betrayal made me bitter. I even spoke curses in my anger. My lowest point came when my eldest son stopped studying. For 4 years, he stayed home, become hot-tempered and violent. One day, he messaged me saying it would been better if I had died as a baby than to suffer like this. That broke me. Depression consumed me. I turned to drinking. I became unstable, always nagging, always shouting. But everything changed when I received inner healing at the Help Center. I forgave myself. I forgave my son. I was freed from depression. Today, my son has a positive outlook on life. Our communication is healthy. We're not just mother and son anymore. We're best friends.